The top toolbar includes several important tools that help you manage the builder. These options may seem simple at first glance, but they work closely with the rest of the builder and play a big part in keeping your workflow smooth. Starting here on the left, you'll find the page selection dropdown. This lets you quickly switch between pages, and you can also type directly into the field to jump to a specific page right away. Next are the device layout buttons for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Editor 2.0 sites are fully responsive, so your content automatically adjusts as the screen size changes. However, switching between layouts lets you fine tune the design for each device, ensuring everything looks exactly how you want across all screen sizes. To the right of that is the Search Anything button. Clicking the magnifying glass opens a pop up where you can search for training material on almost any topic. For example, if you want help with the Pages panel, you can simply type in Pages and you'll see all the related tutorials. The next option is the Info and Tools button. This option is a flyout panel with several site level options. Here you can update your site name, see whether your site is published, view your current editor version, and quickly access your site dashboard. You'll also find a preview link tab where you can grab a desktop or mobile preview link to test your site on a real device. The Stats tab shows a snapshot of your site's performance once it's published, and the Editor Language tab lets you change the language of the builder interface without affecting the content of the site itself. Moving on, you'll see the Saved State indicator. A check mark means that your work is fully saved, and the three-dot animation means the builder is saving your changes currently. Next are the Undo and Redo buttons. These work just like the editor tools you are used to in other softwares, letting you quickly revert or reapply recent changes. After that, you'll find the Dev Mode button. This option opens your site's code and automatically creates a site backup before you begin editing. Dev Mode is available for advanced users who are comfortable working with code, and the backup ensures you can restore your site if anything were to go wrong. Next is the Preview button, which lets you view your site as if it were live. This is great for quick checks while designing, but for a full and accurate representation of the published site, you can use the Copy Preview Link option, which copies a preview link to your clipboard for testing on your browser or other devices. And that covers the top toolbar. These helpful tools make it easy to stay organized and keep your site looking exactly the way you want.